Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little showing some resin pieces that I did. I used the it's like a 10-minute cure style white resin, and this is it. And I used, so basically it's white, so when I was adding the dyes to it, it'll make it a pastel version. I squirted so much orange, and this is what it turned out. Pure yellow. So I don't know how to get orange. Maybe I should add red to this before it cures. But I thought it was a 10-minute resin. It's not. You literally have, I should have timed it. You probably have 2 minutes before that stuff starts hardening. I was literally mid-pour. Look at this. So this is the bow. It was down like this. I was trying to pour it, and it started hardening while I was pouring it out of the cup. I was like, oh my gosh. So I was panicking and like pouring. So I'm gonna have to trim all the way around that bow. But other than that, like I did like 3 or 4 different rounds. As you can see, I have 4 different colors, but I did black, and it turns out like a charcoal gray for Halloween. These little tombstones bows. These bows are from Joann's. Ghosties. I didn't pour enough resin, so it didn't fill into like the arm. And then green. This was like a dark forest green, and I didn't have enough. This is what they're supposed to look like filled. And I didn't have enough, so I was barely drizzling in there, and it left like little holes exactly where the mouth and the eyes were. So I tried to replicate that again, and I got one of those and then one pink one by barely filling the mold. And then here's like a little witch hat. As you can see, I was overflowing these ones. These ones I think you should use, when it's super intricate, you should use the clear resin, because you just do not have enough working time to try to use a toothpick to get in the nooks and crannies. Like look at that one. The trick or treat, I poured it, and look, it was started drying before it could even fill into those handles. So, but it did pick up the detail, which is super cute. So this mold does work, but it just doesn't, you need to use clear, not the white resin, because it just dries way too fast. Another one, a little pumpkin set, and the mouth like kind of looked choppy looking, probably because it didn't fill all the way. It was already drying and I was panicking. But I love the way that I got so many. The witch hat turned out super cute. That's from Joann's. Little bow. Again, these bows were manic. Look at overfilling, because I was like, oh my gosh, it's drying. So there's those guys. These little cute, and then I could just drill a little hole, make a little charm. I don't really work with pastel Halloween. So when you're working with the white, you're gonna get pastel colors, you guys. But I can gift these to my friends because they can craft with that stuff. Look how cute the little bats are. Look at the witch, the detail on the witch one. Again, I overfilled, but I think I could get rid of some of that little extra on the back. Lots of colors. This was, this color right here was red. This color right here was neon pink. It is not neon pink. This was like a forest green, black, and then this was a like a fuchsia, dark fuchsia, and it turned out the prettiest color of the pinks, I think. But yeah, that's my quick little share, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.